Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by trimming to about 1/4 inch. This reduces tugging and clogging. Once done, take a warm shower for 3 to 5 minutes to soften hair and skin. Apply a liberal layer of moisturizing shave cream so the razor glides. Make sure to use a clean, sharp blade to prevent nicks. Hold skin gently taut with one hand and place the razor at a shallow angle to begin short, light strokes. Rinse the blade often to avoid buildup and check your progress. You shave with the grain first to reduce irritation. That means following the natural hair direction. Once the first pass is done, make a second pass across the grain only if necessary, and only after reapplying shave cream. Maintain light pressure and short strokes to navigate curves and avoid cuts, and keep the skin slightly stretched to expose flat surfaces. Rinse the razor after every 2 to 3 strokes so it stays sharp. Take breaks to inspect for missed areas. You finish by rinsing the area with cool water, gently patting dry, and applying a fragrance-free moisturizer or aloe gel to calm skin. If you nick yourself, apply direct pressure until bleeding stops, then clean with saline or mild antiseptic. Make sure not to use alcohol, which stings and dries. If you see razor bumps or ingrown hairs, exfoliate gently after 24 to 48 hours and wear loose clothing to reduce friction. If persistent problems occur, consult a clinician for alternative hair removal options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.